Hello everyone, and on today's video what you're looking at here is my 52-inch Casablanca Victorian bright brass. I should have done this sooner, but since I was pretty busy and then I ended up getting sick, it really got me delayed, but I'm back for this video. So this fan here was manufactured on November 21st, 1991, was the 441st fan made that day. See that? Maybe you could see a little bit. It uses a 28mm Emerson K55 motor with a 4-5 blade rubber flywheel. Bearings are absolutely horrid. Has 5 blades, a recalled Hang-Tru but no crossbar mounting bracket. It did not come with a recall clip, so I supplied it from Cole. Very nice to supply it. Some recall clips. If I run out, I'll get more. This somehow came with a wrong mounting bracket and came with only 12 of these the blade arm screws. The main reason I got this fan is because of the Gloss Black blades. And it was on OfferUp for free, so I had a friend who picked that up for me. He have a nice K5 light kit, some hand-cut crystal glass shades. I'm always in need for more Casablanca stuff. Came with this long Hang-Tru II downrod, which I am not going to be using. So, what gives? So, this fan does have some issues. Mainly the board. I'm going to have to see what I can do. So, I'll go ahead and turn it on. And if I apply power. Hold on. Let's see if it's done correctly. Alright, Alright. Probably be back for that. Sorry, the connection's not always that tight. Alright, I'm back. I had to reconnect the wires on it. So when I press fan button, the strange part is it won't go up to speed 3, nor 4, 5, or 6. Unless if I turn off the power button, it'll go up to speed 6. It does have an RMM3 board, so it does the same thing with W32. So I can reverse. And shut the power off. And then start it up again on draft. And then down draft. But I can only go up to speed 2, which I can't turn off unless if I turn off the power button. And then on high speed, I can't turn it off. And then I can't reverse it while the fan's on speed 2, nor could I ever reverse it while it's on speed 6. So that's pretty weird. So, what the heck am I gonna do? I'm gonna have to take a look at the board. I know it's something in the smaller part of the board, the LDM, I think. So, I'm gonna have to see what I can do, and maybe I'll just hang it up. But the 5 series really is up there at this time, so yeah. So I'll talk to you guys soon or later. But anyways, that's all we have today with my 52-inch Casablanca Victorian. So yeah, Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you next time.